Hey everybody, with new video, and my this video is about Atwoods Credit Card, and I'm gonna talk about facts about Atwoods Credit Card. And the first question is that does Atwood have a credit card? Yes, cash. All major credit cards, Atwoods Rewards Mastercard, Atwoods gift cards, sliced by FNBO and bank checks. So, how can you apply for an Atwoods credit card? You can visit your local Atwoods store to fill the application out in person or online. And you need to visit atwoods.com for application. So, the second question is that does Atwoods have a rewards program? Yes, customers can get instant approval for the Atwoods Rewards MasterCard, and this card is issued by FNBO and begin working toward loyalty rewards with their in-person and online transactions. And another there is another thing about Atwoods credit card is about return policy. So you have 30 days from the date your order is received to make a return, make a return. So returns can be initiated in your atwoods.com account or by calling 1-844-428-9663. Returns must be in its original packaging and reasonable conditions. Don't forget that. So, and I think it's enough about Atwoods credit card. So, thanks for watching my video and see you for next videos. Bye bye.